This is a very short email about spam and its impact on business communications. I'm sure that you all experience this. We here also experience it, and I want to show you an example of what happens. Take a look at this email. It's so bad that the president has to send out an email to tell us in advance that the email we get with this subject line is not spam. Then you might wonder, is this spam or not? Now take a look at this email. It turns out this is spam, and anyone that opened the attachment put themselves in danger of losing all of their information. We did get an email saying, don't open this. So it's that bad, and I'm sure that at your institution, you are also experiencing some degree of spam. Well, I hope this very short 2-minute video has provided food for thought and conversation.